Hello everyone, let us meet the all-new Ignis in Delta variant. This is the key of the Delta variant. That is the accessory part of Nexa kit key finder, remote key finder. I will show the detail in later. You can see the front end styling. Compared to Zeta and Alpha, there is no chrome on the front grille. See the pseudo scuff plate which is part of accessory package. The front fog lamp is also part of accessory. Actually, Delta do not come with factory fitted fog lamps, but Delta do get steel wheels and silver colored wheel caps as standard kit. These black claddings are all part of accessory kit. You can see claddings all around as well as along the fender and running board. These door trims are all accessories. They look really nice on this otherwise bare-bone Delta. You can see coming to the back also, you can see silver pseudo scuff plate, rear spoiler painted in body color. These are all accessories. This pseudo silver painted scuff plate is part of Nexa kit. You can see reverse sensors are there. That too is an add-on. There is no rear wiper. There is no rear defogger on the rear glass. No keyless entry. Zeta onwards you get keyless entry. Here there is no keyless entry, but you do get a remote lock unlock function on the key. This is the AMT variant. Let's get inside and see. Compared to Zeta, Delta also get dual tone treatment, full power windows, body colored door grabs, powered steering wheel with airbag and audio controls, spacious footwell with the dead pedal, not seat height adjustment. Even on Zeta there is no seat height adjustment. It's available only on Alpha. This is the AMT gear lever and setup. You do get CD player and audio controls on steering wheel. Steering has got tilt adjustment. Just like Zeta, you get tachometer, monochrome, multi-information display with a real-time door open guide. You do get gear indicator being the empty. Door grab painted in body color, center console finisher also painted in body color. You do get manual mode for this gearbox, but there is no park mode, only drive, neutral and reverse. Now the AMT variant comes with creep function, so you will find it very easy to drive in bumper to bumper condition. Not only that, in steep hills when you have to take the car in stuck situations, creep function will help. Earlier the car had a tendency of rolling backwards in steep hills. You do get detachable headrest on the rear, parcel tray is there, no armrest. Because of its tall boy design, it is very easy to get in and out of this car. Seats are really comfortable. You can see the manual AC, no auto AC. Auto AC only available in the top of the line Alpha variant. I'll show you the boot, generous boot. You can see the split rear seat, 40:60 split series rear seat even on the Delta variant. So Delta is actually quite a value for money package comparing the pricing. AMT variant can be started only when your gear position is in neutral. I tried starting without putting it in neutral. Then you can see the tiny yellow steering light indicator showing that it was not in neutral. After putting it in neutral, the warning light disappeared and car got started. I took it for a brief test drive. Especially I tried it on this steep inclination. I tried the creep function here. You can see the car manages to pull really well. Of course, it has a tendency to go backwards, but it's quite fine compared to previous versions. Now the MT is quite drivable. Even on the open roads, the gear shift is smoother. Of course, you will feel some lag here and there, especially if you find it difficult for overtaking situations. I suggest you go to the manual mode and drive in tight overtaking situations. Otherwise, it is a breeze to use this MT variant. MTs will never be as smooth as CVT gearbox, but for the price, it is an absolute buy. I will demonstrate the key finder here. Open the app. You can see it is already connected. Press the Find Smart Key Finder. So the on-road price is 7 lakhs with all discounts. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.